Storm Tracker 9 weather with Chief Meteorologist Justin Stapleton.
Well, the first time I've been able to stand up here this entire month and say, hey, we had showers out there today. Not just a couple of showers, but early this morning, some heavy downpours coming through as the low itself was swinging across the western end of the state. Now what we're seeing is what we call the wraparound, a sort of back-end showers that just kind of move behind the main line, and that is now starting to move over the Cascades. So let's jump outside right now and show you what we've got on the Storm Tracker 9 live radar sweep, looking at mainly some scattered showers, again, some heavier downpours. You get some of the brighter colors around Corvallis outside of Sweet Home, and then a couple up towards Salem as well, and moving their way over into the Cascades. And just look at that, a little bit of snow trying to pop on top of some of the peaks as well. Snow lines right now right around 6,000 to 7,000 feet, depending on where you are in the Cascades. They'll be rising pretty quickly as we head towards tomorrow, an indication a warmer forecast for us across the board. Cloudy at the coast. It's likely going to be drizzly for the rest of the night tonight. Let's go a wider snapshot. Now the low itself is right outside of, oh, let's say towards John Day, Enterprise, and Burns over in towards the south central section. So it zipped pretty quickly through after about 2 days of just kind of sitting out over the ocean, not doing much. What we're getting now is just sort of a cooler air mass kind of spilling in, sort of leftover moisture that's squeezing out whatever it can. Also weak high pressure out there. It doesn't look real impressive, and it won't be, but it will be enough that it should start to dry us out late tonight and in towards Friday's forecast. Currently, we're looking at 65 in Eugene right now. We've got around 62 in Corvallis, as you might expect. A little cooler at the coast with the ocean air influence. Anywhere from Newport down to Florence in the mid-50s. A little warmer down in North Bend at 61. 66 as you go inland to Roseburg, sitting around 46 on top of the Santiam Pass right now, and around 56 out in Bend. So wider snapshot, here's what's happening. So again, you take my word for it, the high's out there. It will slowly back off all of this moisture for about 24 hours, mainly our Friday forecast. What we're transitioning to, or what we're watching as we head in towards Saturday, is this big storm that's been developing out in the Gulf of Alaska. And in fact, I'll get a little closer, we'll zoom out on that, and I'll show you where that is. What we're looking with this storm is basically to set out over the ocean over the next couple of days, just kind of sit out there and spin. What we'll also see from that is a bit of a southerly wind. Now, why is that important? Well, because basically what that will do as that starts to move northward is pull in some of the warmer air. Now, in addition, what we'll see is the warmer air that's down in towards the desert southwest, Nevada, and even in towards California starts to slide north with it as well. As we go in towards Sunday and Monday's forecast, this storm gets close enough that we start to not only bring in some scattered showers, but I think for Sunday's forecast, we could be looking at some thunderstorms, especially in the mountains, and we'll have to watch to see if any of those try to make their way down in towards the valley for maybe a late afternoon Father's Day surprise as well. We'll keep a watch on that through the weekend. Otherwise, we've got partly sunny skies at the coast tomorrow. Temperatures will be in the upper 50s to low 60s. Then as we go to Saturday, we've got a drier forecast. Sunday, the clouds are back, and then Monday all the way in through about midweek. Fairly wet conditions, certainly from the drier start to our June that we've seen. Sunny in the afternoon in the Umpqua. Temperatures rebounding quickly back into the mid to upper 70s, low 80s, and sunny for Saturday. A few more clouds and maybe even a passing late thunderstorm on Sunday. Then some scattered showers Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. In the Cascades, mostly sunny, freezing levels back up to 10,000 feet. Bend and Redmond, low 70s. Mostly sunny tomorrow, but I do think we'll get possibly some strong thunderstorms both Sunday and Monday. Then finally in the valley, good cloudy start, but we should be back to a nice sunny finish and a beautiful 73. That's good weather in my opinion. 78 on Saturday. A little cooler for Father's Day, but it should be dry for now. And then Monday, Tuesday, we'll see the wet weather start to move back in.
Dads definitely win. It looks like it's going to be dry and nice.
Yeah.
Thanks, Justin.
You bet.